Good morning.
Good morning.
Everyone, please remain muted until called upon by the judge. Please remain muted.
She said, please remain muted till they come in.
Like a year to date?
At 8-1 and raised the fifth best.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is September the 13th. I'd ask all of you to mute yourselves until I call you. I will be calling the attorneys that are present first. Once we're through calling the attorneys, we'll go ahead and call the rest of the docket. Jeffrey Martinez, what's your case number?
Good morning, Your Honor. It's going to be a 656-749.
On page 2, 656-749, that is Nicholas Cordero. Nicholas Cordero,
Yes, sir. President.
good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you both for being on time. I'm sorry that I'm running late. I left the home early, but everything went late after that. Mr.
Your Honor.
Martinez,
Your Honor, if I could confer with both the EDA, there's also a motion to revoke if the
You have,
probation officer.
this is the only case you got this morning?
No, Your Honor, I have one additional one, 687-110.
687 110. That's on page 7. And that is Ernest Villarreal. Ernest Villarreal.
I do see him, Your Honor, in the Zoom.
Ernest Villarreal, at this time you're absent unless you speak up or wave or something.
He's standing up, Your Honor. He's in a purple shirt with glasses. I don't know why he's not speaking.
Oh, you do see him?
I do see him, Your Honor. He's sitting down.
All
In
right.
he also has a case out of County Court 13, Your Honor. That's a family violence case that's going to take precedent. So I'd ask if he could be excused. I need to go to County Court 13 to
Take
see.
care of what you got.
Yes, Your Honor. But for right now, I'd like to remain here and confirm on the MTR for the first case.
All right. Christopher Castro.
Yes, Judge, I have Eric Caulfield on the docket. 682600. He does have a pending felony.
Was it been indicted already?
It has been indicted, Judge.
It has, okay. Then we'll give you at this point, reset 30 days, felony pending.
Thank you, Judge.
Is he here, by the way?
He is here.
Eric,
Yes, sir. I'm present, Your Honor.
good morning to you both. Thank you for both being on time.
Good morning.
All right, Rene Munoz.
Yes, Judge.
October 18th.
Thank you.
Rene, what you got?
Yes, Judge. I just have one client on your docket, Valerie Amador, page number 6, 685554.
685554. Valerie Amador, are you present?
Judge, I don't see her listed.
Valerie Amador is absent.
Is she present in the courtroom, Judge?
Yes, I'm right here in the front.
Oh, you're here present in the courtroom. Okay, Judge, I'll go ahead and meet her, Your
It's on
Honor.
green.
If I could confer on this case, there's some evidentiary concerns present at the moment.
You are scheduled to confer. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Taylor Wood.
Good morning, Judge. We just have one client on the docket today. I have the case number if you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 678-593.
678-593. Ernest Acevedo.
Yes, Judge. On that one, we talked to Jamisa. The state's not going to be appealing your ruling. They're just waiting to submit the dismissal after they receive your written order.
All right. I'll make a note. We'll get it to them.
I can send it to you by Adobe sign if you'd like, Judge.
That'll be good.
Okay, I'll do that.
Taylor, we actually have the motion to suppress here. We can just give it to the judge. It's okay.
Okay, okay. I wasn't sure if he was at the courthouse or not. But
Yes,
All right.
perfect. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.
And Adam Cortez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have one case. It's on page 6. It's 684-225, Ms. De Santiago. I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
684-225.
Yes.
Lourdes de Santiago, are you
Yes, Your
present?
Honor. She's present, Your Honor.
I'm here.
Good morning to you both. Thank you for being on time.
Thank you.
And I'll show you as conferring.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Johnny Rodriguez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here with my client. I'm on case number 690-339. She has a felony pending.
690-339.
Yes. 690-339.
Gotcha.
Page 8, Judge.
Yes. And that is Genesis Tapia.
Yes, she's present here with me.
Thank you, sir. That's felony pending, unindicted. We'll give you 60 days reset on that one.
November 15th.
All right.
Maybe excuse you, Your Honor.
You and your client, thank you both for being on time. Alice Warburton.
Thank you.
Judge, how are you? I have 4 clients today. Two are on page 5, Judge. Let's see. Review. So on page 5, Judge, I have Paul Halliburton, cause number 680-193. He's in the middle of page 5. And then
Paul
Savannah,
Halliburton, is he present?
let me see, Judge.
Yes. Good morning.
Halliburton. There is no file on this, Ms. Warburton. We'll just go ahead and reset your 30 days on that.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Halliburton be excused?
By the way, that is, you have a felony pending that's unindicted. Let's make that 60 days on that one.
Okay, yes, Judge. And what date is that, Linda? Is it going to be the?
The 15th of November for that one.
Okay, Mr. Halliburton, please mark your phone the 15th of November.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay in touch with your attorney, so. Next one. Trevino?
Yes, Trevino. I had communication with her this morning. She is aware. So let's see where she is. Is Trevino?
Marie Trevino, Savannah Marie Trevino.
I will text her, Judge. I spoke to her less than an hour ago, so I'm sure there's just some confusion.
As of right now, I'm marking her absent, make sure she checks in.
Yes, Judge.
There's 2 of them. What else you got? Are you going to confer on that one?
Yes, Judge. I have Mario Montelongo. He is on page 8, Judge, and he is present. Mr. Montelongo is the top of page 8. 688.
Mario Montelongo.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good morning to you. Ms. Warburton, you going to confer on that one?
I would like to confirm on that one, Judge. Yes.
It
And then,
is so noted. And then I think you have an add-on.
yes, Judge, from yesterday, I have Gisela Gonzalez de Rojas. It's cause number 675-167.
Is she present?
Yes, I'm here, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning to you. What is your first name?
Gisela.
With a Y?
No, with J.
It's with a G, Judge.
Sorry, G.
Gisela.
Yes.
Good morning. And Ms. Warburton, are you conferring on that one?
Yes, Judge, they're still missing discovery. May Mr. Montalongo and Miss Gisela be excused while I confer, Judge?
You are both excused. Stay in communication with your lawyer. She's gonna be doing some work for you and she's asked me to excuse you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I will text everyone with the new dates. Thank you, Judge.
You're
And
quite welcome.
I will find Miss Trevino.
I see an attorney. I only see an iPhone, but he's wearing a coat and tie.
Simon Rawls, Judge. Sorry.
There you go. What is your name?
Simon Rawls, Judge.
Simon Rawls. You don't have a name on that.
Oh, I apologize for that. I'm actually in Bandera County Court right
Not to
now.
worry. Simon, what are the cases that you got?
I have 4 today, Judge. I want to get resets on 2, and I want to confirm it. I need a little time to go up to the court in Bandera, and I want to log back on if that's okay.
Give me your case numbers.
Okay. 681477 Eric Gonzalez, and I will need a reset on that if possible.
681.
477.
Page 5, Judge.
Right. 681477. That's Eric Gonzalez. Is he present?
I did not see. I'm not sure if he's present or not.
He's
Mr.
not
Gonzalez.
answering. He is absent. It won't make any difference at this point. We're going to reset it.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Reset, no file.
I'm here.
Okay, good morning to you. All right. Linda, reset that for 40 days.
Okay. That one will be October the 25th.
Next one,
Okay.
Mr. Rawls.
Thank you. And can he be excused?
Of course.
All right. Thank you. And also next is to be reset is Cassandra Thatcher. She is present. 686035.
686035, page 6. 686035.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, okay. Cassandra Thatcher.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Why are we just resetting that one?
I need time to talk to reach out to complaining witness. And,
Well, how about calling you back in 2 weeks if that's all you're gonna do?
I have time. That's acceptable, Judge.
Recall 2 weeks.
Okay, that would be September 27th.
Next one, Mr. Rawls.
Brenda Urbina, she is here, and 689602. I'd like to confirm it. Can I have a little time to go back to the Bandera court?
Hold on a second. Let me take it one at a time here. 689
602.
602. Brenda Urbina.
Yes, Judge.
All right. And you're gonna do what now?
I'd like to confirm it. I need to run back up to the courtroom in Bandera County first.
All right. I'm gonna mark you conferring.
Okay. Thank you.
Then go ahead and go where you have to go. Ms. Urbina, you are excused at this time. Your attorney is going to be doing some work.
Thank you.
Stay in touch with your attorney.
Yes. Thank you.
And my last is Joshua Aguilar, and that's 686637.
686-637. That's also a no file. Reset 40 days.
The same date, Simon, 10/25 on that one.
Okay. That's all. And I don't know if Miss Thatcher, can she be excused as well if she hasn't already?
She's excused.
All right, thank you. Those are my 4, Judge.
Thank you. Patrick Lamas.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Rayanne Olivo. We're on page 9 of your docket, second to the last one, case number 690-540.
690-540, also a no file. Is he present?
I'm hoping that she's in the courtroom.
What is the name again, Judge?
Rayanne Olivo.
Rayanne Olivo.
No, no one answers by that name.
That's okay because it's a no file. We have no jurisdiction technically. Mr. Lamas, we're gonna reset this for you for 40 days at this point.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll try to get a hold of her.
All right.
October 25th, Patrick.
I prefer that you communicate with her. Mr. Lamas, poor choice of words. Don't get a hold of her, communicate with her.
Your Honor, will do.
Jeffrey Martinez.
Your Honor, I came back on my two cases. If I can give you an update.
Yes, sir.
On Nicholas Cordero, 656-749, page 2. That MTR,
65749.
Yes, Your Honor. That MTR, Your Honor, will be withdrawn and amended. And you'll get some amended conditions to sign, and they're gonna email Mr. Cordero the same.
All right, there'll be a motion withdrawing what?
Amend conditions, agreed amended conditions.
Okay.
And Judge, can we remove the ignition interlock since he already completed it? It's me, Marty. You can't see me because the light in here, I don't know what's wrong with it.
All right. The young lady that's fanning herself with no name in the courtroom.
It's Sunny, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's the case number?
Your Honor, I still did have another case. I didn't know if you wanted to answer Ms. Madi first.
Let's finish with Jeffrey. Go ahead.
Your Honor, Ms. Luna, the probation officer, will be submitting to you an order to remove the interlock that was agreed to by the state. So that will be it. And then also had an Ernest Villarreal. He's on page 7687110.
687-110. Ernest Villarreal.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll be asking for a reset. He's going to take probation on a family violence case out of County Court 13. And this case will be resolved based on that probation offer. But it's going to take a little bit of time to, still got to get into County Court 13 to get that plea. But I think we should be able to get that done within 30 days.
Well, after all is said and done, what are we doing?
This will be a TIC. This will be a dismissal.
All right. Linda.
Okay, 30 days. Is that good for you, Jeffrey?
I think so, yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10/18.
Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
Okay, back to the young lady with, I guess you cool down a little bit.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have Cruz Man 686403, I believe, page 7.
Yes.
6. My bad.
Page 6.
Oh, page 6, sorry.
686-403.
Yes, Your Honor. This is our first setting. I need to confirm Mr. Mann is here in the courtroom. So I'd like him to be excused and I will log back on. I have to go live to the 186.
Mr. Mann, you are excused. And Sonny, you're going to confer?
Yes, sir.
Or as our dear friend used to say, you're going to convoy.
I can go.
All right. Anything else, Sonny?
Nope, that was it, Your Honor. Do you want me to get a date for Mr. Mann right now or wait?
Well, I thought you were going to confer.
I am. But I
Okay.
need an offer. I don't even have an offer. This is our first setting.
Well, that's why I want you to confer first.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All
I'll be
right.
back. Thank you.
Rene Munoz.
Yes, Judge. I've had the opportunity to confer on Valerie Amador on page 6, 685554, as well as 685555. The state's going to be tendering a dismissal on both matters, Judge.
Very good. Smooth talker, you.
At times, Judge, yeah, I suppose. May my client not be excused?
You got anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All
Judge,
right.
you should also know that he strongly.
I'm right here in the
objected to
front.
dismissal.
Hello.
Yeah, there's some issues with the case. So, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Kenny.
Celine Beck, are you an attorney?
Yes, Judge, I am. I'm here on Fernando Leza.
Case number?
Case number is 624725.
Page 1, 6247. 2325. Fernando Leza.
Yes,
Is-
Judge. This one is felony pending. I'm just coming on for the previous attorney. It's just a firm switch, internal firm switch. And from my understanding, we're just trying to work something out.
Ms. Beck, are
Sorry?
you now representing this individual?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Okay. So what happened with Christopher Castro on that? Okay, you were
He has-
hired?
He has, it's a firm switch, Judge. He's
Okay.
no longer with our firm, so I'm taking over the case for it.
Okay. And I didn't hear Mr. Leza respond. Is he present?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Good
And you
morning.
will be conferring, Ms. Beck?
Yes, I will confer. It is a felony pending case that has been indicted.
Okay. Well, do you actually want to confer? We can reset it if you got a felony pending.
Can we reset it felony pending and I'll confer in the meantime with the state on it?
All right. We'll reset it felony pending. If you choose to confer, I will list you as such. Thank you. Adam Cortez.
Yes, Your Honor, I've conferred and the state would like 30 days to take a look. This case is a bit convoluted. And
You gave me a case number.
684225.
Say again.
684225, page 6, about the third name down. De Santiago, Lourdes.
All righty. She is present, so are you. You've conferred.
That's correct.
State wants 30 days.
Yes, sir.
10/18.
October 18th.
All righty.
All right. Well, thank you. We'll see you then.
Ms. Beck.
Yes, Judge. I just didn't know what they wanted to reset for.
Okay. Linda, give her 45 days on this.
November 1st.
Thank you, ma'am. May my client and I be excused, and I'll confer with
Yes,
state.
ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. Tony
No.
Hernandez.
I'm sorry, did you say Tony Hernandez, Judge?
Tony Hernandez.
Yes, Judge.
Antonio.
I have two individuals, Bryce Charles, 617-936.
617
936.
936. That is Bryce Charles, listed as a fugitive.
He's present, Judge. He shouldn't.
I'm president, sir.
He was present at the last setting also, Judge.
All right, he's on pretrial diversion.
Yes,
Is that
Judge, and
completed?
just 2-3 weeks on that, and we should be able to finalize the PTD.
All right, just give him 3 weeks, Linda.
Okay, October the 4th.
That's fine. Thank you, Judge. And then I have
It
another
does-
one.
It does show active, Judge.
He has an active warrant, Tony. You need to double check for your client.
I'll double check, Judge, because he's always appeared in court, so.
It's not that, it's an affidavit of surety. You're gonna need to get in contact with the bondsman.
Okay, it's an offline.
All right. Other attorneys.
Judge, I have one more, Roger Morales.
Sorry about that. What you got?
Roger Morales,
Case number.
669-723. 749 and 883.
Roger Morales.
Yes, Judge, and he's present on Zoom.
All right, he's got a felony pending.
He does, Judge.
You want to reset felony pending or you want to confer?
Both, Judge.
Pardon me?
Both, please.
This one's been indicted, so how far along is it? Are you representing him on the felony?
I am, Your Honor.
How far along is that?
We had, I think, our first setting about 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay. Let's reset you for at least 45 days.
November 1st?
Thank you, Judge. And then if I could speak to one of the prosecutors.
Sure.
Are you gonna confer it all? You don't need to, because you got the felony pending thing.
That's true, Judge, but one of them is family violence, so I wanted to confer on that. And if we can have Mr. Charles and Mr. Morales excused.
All right, Scott Martinez.
Yes, Judge. Case number 667-806. Zapata.
667-806, Eduardo Zapata. Mr. Zapata, are you present?
I believe he's present in the courtroom.
Ms. Grabowski?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right.
Yes.
And what are you doing on this, Mr. Martinez?
We're working on getting them into the PTD program, Judge.
So does that mean you're conferring on that or what?
I need time to have them go down and fill out that application and get that get the PTT program going, Judge.
Will 30 days do it?
Yes, Judge.
You have 30 days for PTD.
October the 18th. Scott, I can give him a copy of the pretrial diversion and he can go turn it in if he needs to.
I was gonna talk to him about doing that right now. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Any other attorney, wave your hand, put up some kind of.
Judge, I'm present for Elda Ruiz.
Cesar Serna.
Yes, Your Honor, page 3.
Case
number is 665102, Your Honor.
All right, that's Elda Ruiz.
And she's present, Judge.
All right, you need to bump this along. It's been reset 9 times, Cesar.
I'm sorry, Judge?
It's been reset 9 times. You need to bump it along a little bit. What
Okay,
you got
Judge.
on this? What are you doing?
If I could confer, Your Honor.
Absolutely. Go ahead and confer.
Thank you.
All right, let's see. Attorneys.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Keith Engelkey.
Yes, sir. I have one client on the docket at the top of page 4.
What's the case number?
666-546, top of page 4, Judge.
There it is. Scott, this has been reset 14 times.
My client lives in Victoria. That's
Sorry.
been an issue. I'd like to confer with the state.
Linda, are you hearing that?
Yes, he wants to confer, Judge. I'll put him in a breakout room.
All right. So is your client here?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. We have a Candace.
Good morning, Judge. It's Palmer Chuck. It just looks a lot more complicated.
Palmer Chuck.
Yes, sir.
And you're an attorney?
Yes, sir, I am.
I haven't had the pleasure of meeting you. Which case number are you on?
I'm on 657-856 for Christian Gonzalez Carrasco. He is here in the room today. That was him saying hello, Judge. Sorry, he's Spanish speaking. Okay.
You said 657-8.
856.
The last one on page 2, Judge.
Yeah, I was on page 3 and I couldn't find it. Well, that's why. Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Linda.
You're welcome.
Now this is Michael Dominic. Are you with him or?
Yes, sir. He recently left our firm and I've taken over his position. We did an agreed motion to withdraw and also to reinstate me as the leading counsel on this case yesterday. I believe my paralegal did send Ms. Linda confirmation that our payment went through and so forth. We're here today just to confirm with you that on July 12th, the ADA reconsidered their pretrial diversion program for our client, and they were willing to recommend it to him. And he will be coming in today at 1 p.m. to sign for us to get those paperwork back to you.
So we're going to recall it in 2 weeks to see that everything's going smoothly?
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Okay.
September 27th?
Yes, that works.
Thank you, Ms. Palamarchuk.
Thank you. Maybe be
What kind
excused,
what
Judge.
kind of name is that?
Czechoslovakian, but very much Americanized. So,
Okay,
yes, sir. You take care. Thank you, guys.
you're welcome. Thank you. Any other attorney? I don't see anybody else as attorneys. No other attorney. All right, then I'm gonna call the regular docket. Listen up, respond when I call your name. 534-200, State versus Stephen Hernandez.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Matthew Finch's attorney.
Mr.
You heard
Finch,
Yes,
anything
sir.
on him, Linda?
he'll be late, Judge.
Yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of him because he told me to call him in the morning if I couldn't find the rooms. I wasn't too sure, but I can't get a
He's
hold of
already
him. I called him.
contacted the court, Mr. Hernandez, so we're aware that he knows you're here and he's already contacted us.
Okay, sir.
Stick around, wait for him. 565-322, State versus Sean Guerrero.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes, sir.
attorney. Sean Guerrero,
Yes, sir.
good morning to you. Have you hired
Good
an
morning to
attorney?
you.
Have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
Are you going to hire an attorney?
Thing was, I stay in Temple and I have no ride to get to San Antonio. I did have contacted the court. It did say I can to come to San Antonio court to get an attorney appointed to me. But I haven't had.
You'll have to make out an application, Linda.
Yes.
Follow up with him. Stick around a little bit, Mr. Guerrero.
Yes, sir.
599-211, State versus Enrique Obregón. Attorney Alberto Rodriguez. Have you heard from Alberto?
I did, Judge. I'll talk to you about that later.
All righty. And Enrique Obregón, are you present? Enrique Obregón is failure to appear. 617-605, State versus Omar Elizalde. Attorney Catherine Valenzuela.
I'm present, sir.
Good morning, sir. Catherine Valenzuela? No response.
Judge, this is Tim Rancher. I'm back now. May I approach?
It's who?
This is Tim Roundtree, Judge.
Tim, yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, Judge. I'm sorry. I was in another court. I have Mr. Dylan Ibarra, Judge, 651-595.
651-595.
You are.
Dylan Ibarra with a Y.
Yes, and he is here.
Is he present?
He is, Judge.
Very good. What are you doing on this?
Judge, we have a pretrial diversion agreement. We have signed it, but I haven't gotten it to the state for them to sign it. I'll be in person in your court tomorrow. My plan was to bring it and get it signed and submitted.
Well, you want me to recall this in 2 weeks officially, and then if you get everything done ahead of time, you're okay.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Recall 2 weeks, Linda.
9:28.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Linda,
Tim?
are you, no, Judge, but I would like to talk to Linda later. May I call you Linda?
Yes.
Of course.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Stephen Hernandez, are you an attorney?
Yes, sir. No, I'm waiting for my attorney.
You're not an attorney.
Well, then stick around and wait for him.
Thank you, sir.
Tony Hernandez, were you trying to get a hold of? Yeah. Tony, what you got?
Yes, Judge, I conferred both on this cases and the case I have set for trial tomorrow. So if we could just be excused.
What you got on which case are we talking about?
On Roger Morales, Judge, you already reset it for us. And then tomorrow's a different case.
What's the case
Roger
number
Morales,
about that, Tony?
669-723.
669. Alrighty. And what are you doing on that one?
Judge, you reset us to the November 1st already.
We reset it for 45, yeah.
Yes.
And we're resetting Oscar Hernandez for tomorrow too? Tony?
That's up to the court. I spoke to Kenneth and he said that I'm gonna give him some information
Okay.
for a witness to speak to, so it's up
Oh,
to you
okay.
guys. Or we
Okay,
can just show up
we'll
tomorrow
leave
and
it.
do it.
Okay, that's fine. I just thought there was gonna be a reset on it. Okay.
No, not yet. All right, thanks.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome, sir. Back to the docket, 628-005. State versus Ronald Flowers.
Right here, sir.
Good morning, sir. Carolyn Wetland.
Actually, Judge, that's supposed to be a motion to suppress. However, it will more than likely be reset because we have not received the filing for the motion to suppress.
All right, remind me of that after a while.
Okay.
Then we have 629-509. State versus Silverio Alonso. He is in jail. Julie Pollack, have we heard from her?
No, sir, I haven't heard from her.
All right. 635-675, State versus Joseph Rodriguez, no attorney. Joseph Rodriguez.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Good morning. Have you hired an attorney?
Can't hear you, Mr. Rodriguez.
I just filed the paperwork to get a public attorney.
Recall it in 1 week, Linda.
Okay, that will be September 20th.
Okay, thank you.
642-617, State versus George Mock. Attorney Robert Marr. George Mock. Missing, not responding. 646-117, State versus Angela Blake. Pardon me, State versus Star Garza. Star Garza.
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Garza.
Good morning.
Angela Blake.
Running late, Judge.
Linda, have you heard from Angela?
Yes, she'll be late.
Well, tell me something, lady. 646-961, State versus Joe Flores. Angela Blake, it'll be late. Joe Flores.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Wait for your client, your attorney, rather.
Yes, sir.
655-007, State versus Derwin Stroller. Attorney Cornelius Cox.
Mr. Strowin, sir, Mr. Strotter was in the courtroom. He approached, he walked in about 10 minutes ago. He was wearing shorts. He was addressed. I informed him about the dress code. He said no one sent him an email concerning the dress code. I told him it's posted outside, but I did tell him I was going to inform the courtroom that he was here and he will be waiting outside till his attorney showed up.
All righty. Then we'll put him, we'll show him present, and Mr. Cox, no response.
Correct, sir.
657-157, State versus Samuel Fermin, attorney. Jeannie Cupid.
If I lost you, sir.
I'm present. I texted my lawyer this morning, but I haven't got anything.
I'm still on Zoom. I'll call her. Here now.
Is that Mr. Fermin?
Yes.
All right. Jeannie Cupid.
Miss Cupid is gonna be late, Judge.
All right. Going on to page 3. Wait for your attorney, Mr. Slaughter. 657-883, State versus Maximo Solis, attorney Joseph Stateson.
Judge, that one's been recalled for Friday.
All right. 664-200, State versus Miguel Garcia, attorney Anton Hayek. Mr. Hayek.
Sir.
Miguel Garcia.
Yes.
All right, good morning, sir. Have you heard from Mr. Hayek?
No, sir.
All right, no response, Linda.
No, sir.
664-206, State versus Bobby Martin, attorney, Joe Yalmin.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Martin.
Good morning.
Any word from Yalmin?
Judge, he has gotten off the wheel and asked for us to give him a new court-appointed attorney.
All right, Mr. Martin, if you'll stick around after the call of the docket, Ms. Flores is going to give you a new attorney. You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Judge, you're muted, Judge.
Once again, 665-274, State versus Robert Check. Jeffrey Mulliner.
Mr. Molnar has called me and asked me to reset felony pending.
All right. Mr. Engelke.
Yes, Your Honor. I've conferred, and the state is going to be emailing me an offer to review with my client.
Did you understand that, Linda?
Yes, the DA is going to email him an offer, Judge.
What's the case number of Mr. Engelke?
666-546, top of page 4.
And what, reset 30 days?
30 days, okay.
Sounds great.
October the 18th.
Now, where are we, Mr. Domsky?
We are on 665-328.
May my client and I be excused.
I'm sorry, what?
Can he and his client be excused,
Of
Judge?
course, yes, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
665-328. John Trejo, attorney. Ronald Funari.
He's present in the courtroom, Judge. He's having difficulty walking. But he is here in the courtroom, Judge.
We're talking about Mr. Trejo.
Mr. Trejo, yes, sir.
How about Mr. Funari, attorney?
He will be late, Judge.
665-407, State versus Jesse Vincent, attorney. Ricardo Molina.
Mr. Molina called me this morning. His son had surgery, so I'm resetting that case, Judge.
All right. And
Your Honor, may I make an announcement?
I'm sorry?
May I make an announcement, please?
Yes, sir.
On Elder Ruiz, 665102, page 3.
665.
102.
Yes, sir.
Page 3. The state's going to be tendering a motion to dismiss on Ms. Ruiz's case.
All right. Very
Judge,
good.
it's already in your Adobe sign, Judge.
I'm sorry?
I've already sent it off to you for signing when you get time today.
Okay, I'll take care of it as soon as we have a chance. Thank you.
Will you
Mr.
excuse,
You're
Judge?
excused. You and your client are excused.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Delco.
Okay, back on page 3, I think we're complete. Going to page 4. 666-596, State versus Ivan Matanani, and that's Cornelius Cox. Mr. Cox is not responding, I'm sure.
That's a motion to suppress, Judge, but more than likely it'll be reset.
Is Ms. Matanani here?
No,
Yes,
not.
Judge.
Oh,
I'm sorry?
I am present.
All right. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So what's the story with Cornelius?
On this one, it's a motion to suppress that is set at 1:30,
Okay,
but more than likely it'll be reset because they never filed their motion to suppress.
No, it wasn't that one, Linda. That was.
Oh, it
the-
wasn't? Okay.
Judge, the problem with that one is this, although the state received notice of the defendant's name, the cause number was correct, not correct. Therefore, we did not have proper time to prepare for that case because the cause number was incorrect.
so you're gonna refile the whole thing?
No, it was when we got the email saying that there was a hearing, the case number was wrong. So it's just like one of the numbers was off.
So this whole thing going down the drain?
The case will be remained, but it's going to be reset for a later date because the cause number, when we received our notice, was incorrect.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
671-786, State versus Dontra Means. It might be Dontra Jaron Means. Attorney James Tochi.
Reset felony pending, Judge.
671-825, State versus Fabian Rodriguez. Attorney Jesus Gomez.
Mr. Gomez is in trial. That will be reset till 9/26.
672-614, State versus Manuel Rodriguez. Attorney Stephen Harkowitz.
Reset felony pending.
675-720, State versus Joshua Gallegos. Attorney Miguel Hernandez III.
Present, Your Honor.
Joshua Gallegos.
Present in the courtroom, Your Honor.
All right. Have you heard from Mr. Hernandez?
No,
Linda?
sir.
Linda?
No, sir, I haven't heard from him.
All right. Stick around, Mr. Gallegos. We'll see if he shows up.
Steve, I'm happy you're next.
On to page 5. 677-682, State versus Matthew Silva. Attorney Thomas Beck.
Judge, can you hear me? I've never used this before.
Okay, I hear somebody. Are you Mr. Silva?
No, it's Mr. Beck, Judge.
Oh, Thomas Beck?
Yes, sir.
All right. How about Mr. Silva? Matthew Silva. At this
He did
time-
announce, Judge. He did announce, Judge. He's here in the courtroom. I don't think you heard him, but he is here.
All right. I did not hear him, but thank you for informing me. We have him present.
Yes, sir.
Beck, what are you going to do on this?
Judge, if I can confer.
Already, I'll list you down for conferring. 678-489, State versus Richard Resendez, and that is James Tochi.
That one, sir, is being reset.
Already. 680-211, State versus Francisco Ramirez Paz. Raimundo Aleman is attorney. Any word for Raimundo?
Yeah, I'm here, Judge. Did you
Good
hear me?
morning.
Presente,
señor.
He's
Good
supposed
morning,
to,
Mr.
I think Mr. Paz said he was gonna go in person, and so did my other client.
He is in the courtroom, Judge.
He's a Spanish speaker, Judge. He is here.
¿Cómo amaneció, señor Ramírez?
And yes, sir, and I have another man who also showed up in person.
All right. Let's talk about Ramirez Paz first. What are you doing on that?
Yeah, I'll have to confer, Judge. He's
Alrighty.
undecided what he wants to do.
In your next case,
He's working.
Raimundo? you
Yes,
have
sir,
good-
the next case is Mr.
Linda, that breakout room, is it for Mr. Beck?
Yes, but
Okay.
when we're done.
Okay, but keep in mind, IT is here to set up the printer. So if he goes to the breakout room, the judge is not going to hear me to let him know who all is here in the courtroom. And I don't want him to mark all these people absent.
I know.
Judge, I can just
Once we're
wait.
done, he can go.
Yeah, we can just wait to confer with the people in the courtroom so we can finish talking, if that's okay.
Thank you.
Back to Mr. Aleman.
Yes, sir. The next case is 6904448.
Top of page 9 or the middle of page 9, the third one down, Judge.
Secretary Bless also showed up in person, so he told me.
Are you here? Negative. Nobody's here by that name in the courtroom.
Oh. All right, well, I'll call him. Ask him where he is, but he said he would not be there in person. He has a strange case. Just, he is charged with stealing mail, and I don't know why he's not in the Fed.
Are you talking about Edgar Chiples?
Yes.
All right, Edgar Chiples, 6904448. Are you present? He is not present. All right.
Call
Back
his
to the
family
docket.
again. Thank you, Judge.
Pardon me?
Thank you. Are you going to send me to a room to discuss the
Yes,
other?
I was just waiting for you to announce on the other one. Give me a second and I will put you in a break.
Thank you.
All right, back to the docket, page 5, 681-639, State versus Chantel Warren, attorney. Ricardo Saldivar.
Reset, Judge.
I did not reset that. Page 6. Hold on, folks.
You wanna real quick while he's answering that.
Mom, I'm in court. Hello. Good morning, Mom. I'm in court as always, like I've told you before. Love you too. Bye-bye. My mom is 100 years old. She calls me every morning, even though I'm in court, so it's my job to answer. 686-700. That is State versus Corey King. He is in jail. Edward Brabenik is attorney. Have we heard from Edward?
No, sir.
All right. Next page. Page 7. 686-744, State versus Vanessa Flores, attorney. Patrick Montgomery.
I am present, sir. I'm here. I'm upstairs in the 437th.
Patrick Montgomery, any word, Linda?
Mr. Montgomery is present, Judge. He is in the 437th.
All right, yes, see you now. All right, Patrick, you doing anything? This is a new file, so no file. Why
If
don't we
there's no
reset it
file, I'll ask
40
for a
days?
That's a great idea, Your Honor. Thank
How
you.
many days, Judge?
40.
Okay. I will give you October the 25th.
I have another case on the docket, Kevin Crotty, and when we get there, I'll ask for that same date.
You want to give me that case number, Pat?
Yes, sir. It's
I found it. 690-524, Judge, page 9.
I don't know if he's present for the meeting. I haven't had any contact. The order appointing doesn't have a phone number.
Case number 690-524. State versus Kevin Crotty. Kevin Crotty. Kevin Crotty, 3 times absent.
Judge, it's a criminal trespass and you're setting that other case off for 40 days on Vanessa. If you'll set this case off 40 days, it's a first appearance on a criminal trespass. The email appointing me did not provide a telephone number, and the Martin Street address, I believe it to be transitional housing.
Go ahead and reset it 40 days with the other case, Linda.
Yes, sir. All right, Patrick, reset for the same day.
May I be excused, y'all?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Judge, congratulations on your 100-year-old mother. That's great.
Uh-huh.
My grandma made it to 104. I was very happy.
All right, let's see how my mom does. Thank you. 686-921, State versus Joseph Longoria. Attorney Sean Sheffield.
That case has been reset to 9/29, Judge.
Thank you. 687-165, State versus Christian Garcia. Attorney Fernando Cortez. Any word from Fernando Cortez?
No, sir.
No response. And Christian Garcia. Christian Garcia 3 times absent. 687-542, State versus Nathaniel Farmer. Attorney Bob Hicks.
That case is going to be reset, Judge. It's a no file.
Thank you. 688-016, State versus Ramona Martinez. Attorney Jerry Valdez. Any word from Jerry Valdez?
No, sir.
I'm sorry, I heard my name.
Ramona Martinez? I don't think that's you. Ramona Martinez is absent. 688-196, State versus
Judge,
David.
I apologize, Judge. Ms. Martinez is here in the courtroom, Judge.
Ramona Martinez then is present.
Ramona Martinez.
Have her wait for Jerry Valdez, see if he shows up. 688-196, State versus David Rodriguez. Attorney Joel Richardson.
Yes, sir. He's in the courtroom, Judge. I believe he's in the courtroom.
It's David. Rodriguez David. Negative. Nobody answers by that name in the courtroom.
I'm here.
David Rodriguez, are you present?
He is present, Judge. It's under D. Chris.
All right, Joel, what are you gonna do?
I can confer with the state. Doesn't David have 2 cases?
I only show one.
Okay. David, didn't you say you had 2 cases?
Well, either way, we're not gonna worry about whether he knows it or not. Right now, you're gonna confer on David Rodriguez, case number 688-196.
Thank you,
Case
Mayor.
number 688-203, State versus Langston Jackson Jack. Attorney Leo Gonzalez.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Jack. Is it Jackson Jack or Johnson or Jack?
It's Jackson Jack.
Yeah, okay, just like it reads. And Leo Gonzalez, is that your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard
I
from
tried to
him?
get in contact with him the past few days. I haven't heard anything from him.
All right. Linda, have you heard anything from him?
No, sir, I haven't.
All right. Mr. Jackson Jack, wait and see if he shows up. All right.
Yes, sir.
Go on to page 8. 688-458, 688-458, State versus Mackenzie Frisbee. And the attorney is Joanne Akel.
Yes, sir. My attorney said that she'll be running late this morning.
Yes, sir, I did get an email from her.
What about Ms. Frisbee?
I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning,
All right,
Judge.
I showed that Ms. Akel will be late. Thank you. Wait for her. 690-355, State versus Angelica Rogers. No attorney.
Yeah, present.
Judge Jody Sawyers is here on that one.
And I'm in person, but in Linda's office.
All righty.
Want
You
it
need
typed
anything? Are you gonna confer? What are you gonna do, Jody?
Your Honor, we were upstairs in the felony court. I'm on Linda's screen. And we have a plea worked out for everything. We're here in person. We're hoping you'll take it up after docket in person, or I can jump on my Zoom and do it in the courtroom, but everything's done. It's a simple assault, family violence plea.
All right, well, we'll see whether we get that worked out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alice Warburton.
Yes, Judge.
I am done conferring with Mr. Yanta. We made quite a bit of progress. I sent Linda a chat with my clients and their case numbers. So that she has them. It's you've already excused my clients for the day, Judge.
You want to give me the case numbers and so I can mark them accordingly?
Yes, Judge.
675-167.
675-167. That's on page 4.
That one is not on. That was an add-on from yesterday,
Oh,
Judge.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
That was the add-on, sorry.
okay, what about that one?
The state found the missing videos, Judge, and Mr.
Say
Yanta.
again?
The state found the videos that have been missing, the missing discovery, and he's gonna have his paralegal upload them because it's not working. It's like crashing for Virgil's computer,
How
so
much time do you need to see about this?
just a month, Judge, maybe 10, 17.
Linda,
Okay, 1017 it is.
And then Savannah Trevino, Judge,
680-891.
say again?
680-891.
Alrighty.
we are missing any and all breath evidence, Judge. There's no certificate, there's nothing. So the state is gonna try and track that down. 1017 would also be great.
Okay, now did Ms. Trevino ever show up?
Oh,
Not in the courtroom, Judge.
I have to talk to her, Judge. Let me call her because like I
Alright.
spoke to her this morning. Let me see if I can get her on here. And then,
Ms. Warburton, as of right now, she's absent. I've marked her as such. Get her to report, please.
yes, Judge. And then the last one I have is Montelongo. It was his first court date, Judge.
688-253.
Say again?
688-253, page 8.
Right. 688-253. Where are we on that?
This was his first court date, Judge. It's a new offense. We're going to consider submitting some new evidence, Judge, or excuse me, some mitigating evidence, Judge, so that that in exchange for consideration of a better offer. But it's his first court date.
So
So
how
maybe,
much time you want?
well, we can do 1017 or 1115. I also have Mr. Halliburton, who was a no file on 1115. So 1017 is fine. 1115 is also fine because it's a new offer.
Linda?
How about 1115?
11 what?
1115.
Already. Very good. Anything else, Ms. Warburton?
No, Judge, and I will have Ms. Trevino sign on. I'm going to call Ms. Trevino. It's weird. She was texting me earlier this morning and asked for the Zoom info. So I'm going to find out what's going on and I'll have her sign on, Judge.
Make sure you get her in.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
690-386, State versus Manuel Hernandez, attorney, Michael Zamora. Heard from Michael Zamora, Linda.
No, sir.
All right. And Manuel Hernandez, absent. 690-392, State versus Tanshara Campbell, and the attorney is David Garcia. Word from David Garcia.
Yes, he will be late, Judge.
And Tanshara Campbell.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. All right, wait for your attorney. He'll be here.
Thank you.
690-403, State versus Jose Pacheco, attorney, Suzanne Kramer. Word from Suzanne Kramer, Linda.
No, sir.
And Jose Pacheco. Absent. 690-418, State versus Michael Hawk, attorney, Joseph Stateson.
That one will be recalled to Friday, Judge.
Linda, everything set for Friday is gonna have to be reset.
Okay, Judge.
And be aware. All right, then we have 690-461, State versus Anthony Galindo, attorney, Brent de la Paz.
Mr. De La Paz called me and it's a no file, Judge, so this is gonna be reset.
Thank you. 690-475, State versus Jacob Cardona, no attorney. Jacob Cardona,
Present in the courtroom.
have you hired an attorney?
No, sir. I was trying to get a court appointed.
All right, Ms. Flores will be in touch with you shortly. 690-487, State versus Martina Gonzalez, no attorney.
She is present in the courtroom as well, Judge.
Present, Judge.
Good morning. This is a no file. Linda, reset it for how long?
You want
But
it,
first of all, Ms. Gonzalez, are you able to hire an attorney?
No, I was asked if I wanted a court appointed attorney, and I say yes.
You have to apply for it, make out some sworn affidavits on it. Be careful not to get yourself in some felony trouble by putting false information, so be careful with that. Stick around and we'll help you out with that.
Thank you.
690-557, State versus Florentino Martinez, attorney, Eduardo Garcia. Word from Eduardo Garcia,
no, sir.
no response. And Florentino Martinez
It's in custody, sir.
is in jail. All right. So yes, he is here. And that's the docket for today. Is there anyone that thought their name should have been called and did not hear it, or came in late and did not hear their name? Wave, put your hand up or something. Joel Richardson, what you got?
Could you put me in a breakout room with a DA, sir? I appreciate it. Thank you.
Linda?
I'm putting him in a breakout room.
All
Thank
right.
you. Thank you.
Angelica Rogers.
You called my name, but it completely flew past me what just happened. I don't have an attorney. I was going to go try to get one, but the lady was speaking on the screen. I don't know anything about that, about a plea.
Okay, what's your case number?
Page number 8, case number 690-355.
All right, Angelica Rogers, yes, I show you present. Jody Sawyers responded on your behalf.
Yes, about a plea, but I don't know anything about that. So that's why I'm like, I guess either that person reach out to me or.
You got the plea ready?
What's your charge?
Actually, Judge, Jody's is Angel Rogers.
Okay.
We got Rogers.
Yeah, that's why I was confused, because you said Angelica Rogers and I was about to respond.
So at this time, it looks like there is no plea deal. We need to get this straightened out. This is Angelica Rogers under case number 690-355. There's no attorney of record. Ms. Sawyers has spoken up. We need to see if that's the right person.
No,
but the charge is correct. The charge is correct, though. It is a simple misdemeanor. Family violence.
As I said, we're going to check this out, okay? Just
Okay.
stick around, man.
Okay.
All right. Joanne Akel.
Good morning, Judge. My client is present, and I would like to confer with the prosecutor and ask if my client could be excused while I do that.
How about giving me the case number so I can find it on my docket?
Case number 688-458, page 8.
Six, eight, eight.
458.
All right, your client is here. What are you gonna do on this? You wanna
Judge,
confirm?
yes, Judge, please.
Okey dokey, you're scheduled to confirm.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's see.
Judge, this your bailiff.
Yes, ma'am.
On the first page, case
Yes.
number 629-509 Alonso Silverio.
Yes, ma'am.
The brother is here. I did inform him that his brother is incarcerated. We don't bring him unless there's a plea or other matters to take care of. I did inform him that I need to speak with Ms. Pollock. His concern is regarding the brother, but he says the attorney on record does not return any phone calls or any way of getting a hold of her. So that is why the brother came over here to try and approach you and ask you for other legal questions that he may have if he can approach. That is up to you, Judge.
Let's see what Ms. Pollock has to say, because the fact is that very few attorneys will call different members of the family. Because that's asking for getting 10, 20 calls that you don't have time for. I don't know if that's a fact of the situation, but we'll have to find out when Ms. Pollock gets here, if she gets here. So we'll wait for a while and see what's going on.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. Who else we
Anton.
Is Mr. Hayek here?
Yes, sir. He's on Zoom.
I don't see him.
Sorry I was late. I'm here, Judge.
Oh, you're in the courtroom?
Yes, well, I was here for another case, so I have Miguel Garcia, who is present. He's
Case
already
number.
answered the docket. If
Case
you want to
number.
let me talk to a DA, that's great.
He wants a case number, sir.
Oh,
Case
case
number.
number
664-200, page
Yeah.
3.
664-200. Yeah.
All righty.
Your Honor, this is Joel Richardson. May I approach?
Hold on a second. I'm talking to Mr. Hayek. You're gonna confer, Anton?
If I can, if you have somebody, yes.
Yeah, we got somebody. We got a couple of somebody. So
At room 11.
you're both present. We'll schedule you to confer. All right. Who else?
Judge Cornelius Cox is on.
What? Cornelius, it's not 11 o'clock yet.
Hello, Judge. Well, it's 11 somewhere, huh, Judge?
You're right.
Mr. Yanta, can you hear me?
Ronnie,
Hi.
What you got?
what you got?
Well, I got an assault. He says mom got in the way and he pushed her a little bit, but they're not
Linda,
upset
you need
about it.
to mute somebody that's talking.
What I needed.
All right, Cornelius.
Yes, sir.
This you and I talk. What you got?
Okay, I got a during starter 655-007 and 655-008. I need to confer on that one, and I got a Yvonne Matinee 666-596. Need to confer with the prosecutor on that one.
666-596.
That's correct, Judge.
Cornelius, you have that one set for a motion to suppress.
Yes.
That's on
Yeah.
page 4, Judge.
Yes.
666-596. Okay.
That's going to be refiled or something about the numbers?
No, what happened was when I sent the email, I accidentally put 666-595 instead of 596.
Oh, okay. All right.
So did you want to keep it on the motion to suppress, Cornelius, or did you want to confer?
We can keep it, but I can still confer with somebody. Maybe we can get it resolved.
Okay, and then on Derwayne Strotter, he failed to appear.
No, he's in. He had on shorts and they.
Oh, he's outside. Okay.
He's outside in the hallway.
Okay, all right. Give me a second and I'll put you in a breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Jeannie Cupid.
There she is.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Judge, I have Mr. Samuel Fermin. He is on the screen.
Right. I've got
Case
him here.
657157. I need to confer with the state briefly.
And so it shall be.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Joel Richardson again. What you got, Joel?
Kenny said he needed more time to do the research, get the hard file. He said 30-day reset, please.
Case
Can you
number.
give me a case number, Joel?
Oh,
Yes, sir. The case number is on page 7. Case number 688196. Kenny is a real fine prosecutor. He just said he needed more time. May we be excused after the reset?
688196. State wants how much?
30 days.
All right.
1018.
Okay, may we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. You're excused.
God bless you. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Thank you.
All right. Somebody's still in my screen there with a hand up, but there's no person there. All right. Samuel?
Yes.
Samuel who?
Judge, I think that's my client. This is Jeannie Fermin, Samuel Fermin.
Gotcha. All righty.
Linda, can you put me in a breakout room?
Yes, ma'am. Give me 1 second.
I know. All right. Thanks.
Oh,
hon.
give her more than 1 second. She always asks for 1 second, but she
I know.
needs about 30 or more.
She needs 1 minute. There we go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Raimundo Aleman.
Yes, Judge, my client is in the courtroom. This 680211. I got an offer, so I need to speak to him. 680211.
And that is Ramirez Paz.
Yes, yes.
And what do you want to do?
And the other guy never showed us. I called him again and left him messages.
Okay, but what about Ramirez Paz? What are you going to do with him? He's here.
I need to speak to him because they gave him an offer.
Okay, Linda, can you place Mr. Aleman and Mr. Ramirez Paz in breakout?
Okay.
Okay, who else have we got?
Mr. Aleman, go back to room 7 and I will put County Court 5 in room 7 with you. David Garcia is on, Judge?
It's not 11 o'clock yet.
I'm early, Judge.
I can tell. David, how are you?
Doing all right. Doing all right. I'm in the bowels over at the Juvenile Detention Center.
David, tell me what case you were here on you.
I've got Tamshara Campbell, 690392.
Page 8, Judge.
690392. Ms. Campbell is present. And now you are. And what are you going to do?
I need to speak to the DA to see if they've had contact with the alleged victim.
All right. And I'll show you conferring.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Joanne Akel.
Yes, Judge. I have Mackenzie Frisbee. It's 688458. I'm not sure what page it's on yet.
Page
So,
8.
On
Judge.
page 9, I believe.
688458.
Yes, Judge.
Mackenzie
Sorry.
Frisbee with the peace sign.
Good morning, Judge.
So I've conferred with the prosecutor, Judge. They need some more time to reach out to the complaining witness, and I also need some additional time to finish going through the discovery.
How much
So
time
could
we
we
talking
have-
about? 30 days?
Yes, 30 days should work, Judge.
Let's make it 34, Linda.
Okay. That would be then the 21st of October.
Jeannie, what you got?
Judge, I need to go in a breakout room with my client.
Okay,
I have an agreement with the state judge for a conditional dismissal. My client needs to do two things. So I would ask for a reset and then to be able to confer with him.
Mr. Aleman, please go to room 7 with your client.
Okay, well, can you send me how to get
okay,
there? I
Jeannie,
can't
you
get
wanted to go and break out with your client?
Yes, Your Honor. But I also wanted a reset before I do that. We have
Okay,
an
how much
agreement
time
for
are
a
you looking for?
conditional dismissal.
How much time do you need, Jeannie?
Well, he needs to do 30 hours of community service, Judge, so maybe 60 days.
All right, you got 60.
All right, thank you, Judge. And then may we be excused after I confer with him in a
Of
breakout
course.
room?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Linda,
Yes, Judge.
give Ms. Cupid and her client 60 days reset and place them in breakout.
Yes.
Thank you,
Okay,
Judge.
Jeannie, go back to room 12 and I will put your client in there with you.
Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
All right.
60 days. Okay.
Anton Hyatt. Okay,
Cornelius, oh, he's on the
Mhm.
phone call too. Hold on.
it is 10:29.
Yes,
Cornelius, do you need me for something? I'm gonna take a break.
breakout room, and I got something off docket, Judge, I want to talk to you about, but I can do that later.
Yeah, why don't you call me later, or even,
I'll
are you
call you.
here in the courthouse?
I'm in the courthouse.
All right, well,
I'll come by.
feel free to come by or call.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Anton, you're back on the screen. You know, I'm glad we're coming up on Halloween. I'll be able to use your photo to scare little kids, Anton. No response. Doggone it. Here I go through the trouble of being humorous, and Anton just totally turns his back on me.
Cornelius,
There you
what are we
go.
doing
I'm
on
gonna freeze
Vernon?
your picture, Anton, so I can scare the little kids on the 31st. You are muted in case you're trying to talk. Cornelius, what'd you need? Anything else?
No, Judge, they sent me in the breakout room, but my computer shut down on me, so I'm back. I need to go to the breakout room.
All right, let me put you back in there. Hold
Okay,
on. There you go.
all right, thank you.
Okay, David Garcia, talk to me.
Judge, I've conferred with the state. Can I be thrown into a room with my client, Tamshara Campbell?
Ms. Campbell.
All right, David, let's see, where are you?
All right, Linda.
David,
please.
go back to 13 and I will put your client in there with you.
All right, let's see here.
All right, this court is taking a break. It is 10:31.
All right.
Can you hear me, Your Honor? Anton Hayek.
I can hear you. I was just about to take a break. What can I do for you, Anton?
We just need the case reset. Mr. Jansen wants to talk to his witness. It's okay with me.
Case
664-200.
number.
Page 3.
Page 3.
Hold on. 664.
664-200. Sorry, Judge.
Just like you said. And you're gonna reset it for how long?
Just a regular reset. 28 days.
Give him 28, Linda.
10:18.
Thank you, Miss Linda.
You're welcome.
Anton, take care of yourself. All right. It is break time.
Okay.
Everybody take a break.
You can sneak in here. Okay.
It's what's supposed to be. I come in tomorrow, because I never know.
Yes, sir. All right, thank you. Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Video container. Raise hand. Video container.
Okay, when I hit the corner of my house, it's right there. They search for the man. And then then when I put up, it was there. And my wife came by asking me to guys, you can't miss him, he's always in the right. So I don't think he stayed there, man. They stayed there. So that's still, they kept to him and asked him, like, I'll let you know. That one gets stuff too. And then. That can be the reason, you know?
Mr. Alemán, how can I help you?
Yes, you sent me to a breakout room, but I could hear everything that was going on in here, so I couldn't
Yes,
communicate with my.
Yes, because your client is in the courtroom. That's why.
I know, but it kept interfering, and then just like that, after about 20 seconds, they pulled me out of there.
Okay, so what do you want me to do? I mean, your client's in the breakout, I mean, in the courtroom? Do you want him to go to your office to confer?
No, man, I have about 5 other Zooms to do. I just want to reset him so we can find what he wants to do with this.
Okay, so I'm gonna reset it. How about 30 days?
That's fine.
Okay, 10/18/22.
10/18?
Yes, and I will tell him to go to your office so he can come, you can confer with him about the offer. Grabowski.
The other guy never showed. Tiflis.
I'm sorry?
The other guy, Edgar Tiflis, never showed. I've called him
Right.
about
So
4 times.
if he doesn't appear, then we'll issue a warrant on him, Mr.
Thank you.
Alemán. You're welcome. Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Grabowski. Oh, can you tell Mr. Francisco Ramon Haas to go to Mr. Alemán's office? for the-
Ramirez, ma'am.
we're gonna inform him what to do, Mr. Alemán. To go to his office, and he's been reset to 10/18.
10/18.
No comment. It's been reset to 10/18.
Linda, you referred him to 10/18?
Yes, the October 18th, yes. And we're gonna inform your client as well. Or to go and tell him. Did you hear me, Mr. Alemán?
How much do you want on this?
That's the only spot that's in sort of the school that goes for it. But that's what I'm putting. I really want to.
Okay, David, what are we doing?
So I need a reset so my client can go through the evidence with me and make a decision on the offer.
Okay, 30 days?
Yes, but not October 18th.
Okay, so
That's a
what you
bad
need?
day. Let's do the 19th.
Okay, that's fine. We can do the 19th. No worries. Gotcha.
All right. So I'm gonna go back to my client and tell her,
Oh, okay,
all right, thanks.
you're welcome.
Linda,
Yes, Mr. Rodriguez, how can I help you?
Enrique Obregón, not taking any calls, so I could not contact him.
Okay, so he didn't appear either. But okay, I'll go ahead and do it as an FTA then.
Okay, thank you. May I have excuse?
Yes.
Linda, this is Michelle. Alemans, a client does not know his address.
Oh my goodness.
I will do.
Okay, give me a minute, okay?
Building over there? No, I never did.
Give me a minute. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, you're free to go. We'll keep him as an FTA unless he appears or calls the office.
Okay.
Reset it, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay. How's your wife?
She's doing better. She's gonna be,
Okay,
she's
I'm
gonna be
glad.
released Friday.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Beck, how can I help you?
Not a bad deal.
You're on mute. You're muted.
I would like to confer.
Oh, you need to confer? Okay, give me a second.
I'm good. I'm online. Hold on one second.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, Mr. Stohansky. I took, oh,
Repeater. Let me tell you what that means. That's a good thing. Well, repeaters better.
Linda, could you mute Mr. Rodriguez, please?
We have
Or Linda, I can't hear you, or Thomas Beck.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a trial setting?
Okay, what's the case number?
677682.
Set for trial. I am going to give you October the 7th.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you excuse my client? He's in the courtroom.
Yes, we'll go ahead and tell him.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Grabowski,
I'm gonna get a call right back.
can you tell Matthew Silva his case is gonna be set for trial October
Yes, sir.
7th, and he's free to go.
He heard, thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Angela.
Morning. Can I talk to
Hey,
the state, please?
yes, ma'am. Give me 1 second. I'll put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Julie,
Yes.
what's your case number?
Oh, gosh.
I'm looking too, but
Alonso. I just got notified yesterday that he was on your docket. He's a prisoner. And I can't remember, he's got felonies.
oh, he's in jail. He's in custody. Okay. I know I saw it. I know it.
Alonso Silverio Alonso.
Yes, I saw it. Where are you?
He's got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 felonies. I mean misdemeanors.
Oh, here you are. Okay. He's got one felony. Oh, hold on. Let me see something.
We were trying to work something out on the felony MTR, and these were going to be worked out in that plea. Your misdemeanors.
And it looks like the felony misdemeanor MTR, I mean, not misdemeanor MTR, the felony MTR is set for next, or I'm sorry, for Friday. The 16th, is that correct?
Well, I'm glad you told me that. I didn't have it on my calendar.
Yeah, I show it is set for the 16th of September, the MTR.
Okay, I'm gonna go if I have it right.
So what do you want me, and what's gonna happen with the misdemeanor cases? Are they gonna be taken?
Well, he's going to plead on a few of them. So we'll have to come back, I think, after we plead on the felonies.
Okay, do you want to come back, reset felony MTR pending? Do you want to come back on the, how about the 30th of September?
That sounds good.
Okay, we'll do the 30th of September then. And you can, or call me before and let me know what we're gonna play on, and maybe we can just set them for please.
Okay.
Okay?
That's great.
Miss Pollock, this is a deputy here in the courtroom. I have the brother of your client, Mr. Silverio Alonso. He's said that he wants to get a hold of you. Is there a number that he can speak to you directly?
210-224-1433.
Okay, he's saying that he's called you on those.
Now, I can't talk to him now. I've got 10 Zoom hearings this morning, so he can call me this afternoon.
Okay, this afternoon, sir. After 5, or what's your preference time,
No,
Julie?
before 5, around 4.
4 o'clock, sir. He said, thank you, ma'am.
All right. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Matthew Finch, how can I help you?
Yes, I have an MTR for Steven Hernandez. I just need to confer either with the state or PO.
Okay, give me a second. I will put you in a breakout.
Thank you.
Cornelius,
Yeah,
what are we doing?
okay, okay, on the starter,
Mhm.
just give me a regular reset. I was just appointed on that one.
Okay, so 30 days and we'll do, how about 1018?
1018, that's fine.
And then what about on Yvonne?
On Yvonne, if you're gonna set me for motion suppressed, what date would I get?
It's gonna be like October.
That's fine.
Okay.
October,
Let me look, hold on. Maybe even November. I don't know. Hold on. Give me
even
a-
November, that's fine. No rush.
How about September 30th? It's a Friday. You want to do a Friday?
Yeah, could you give me something later than that? You give
Okay.
me something, yeah, something later. That's
All right, hold on. Give me a second. How about, well, we could do Monday, October 31st.
Monday, October 31st,
Mm-hmm.
Halloween. That sounds good.
Okay, in person.
I can't do it on Zoom.
No, at 1:30.
Cornelius,
Okay.
just make sure you file a motion to suppress with the court, please. I've had to reject going to those because people are not filing the suppressions as they should, as required by state rule.
Okay. All right.
I
I
thought
will make sure.
I thought
think
this
it's
one was
done.
filed, Kenny.
No, his was. I'm just referring to other people in general. They're just not filing them.
Oh, okay.
I'll put the right case number this time.
Thank
Okay.
you, Linda. I didn't want to
October
say.
31st. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
I don't know, you have to call that court. Yeah.
Hey,
Me.
Jerry.
Hello there, woman. How are you this morning? Sorry, I've been in like four other courts, driving me crazy.
I'm good. How are you?
Bien, mija. I have Ramona Martinez, 688016.
Okay. Yes, she is here. I think she's in the courtroom.
Yes.
Did you want to confer? What did you want to do?
Yeah, let me confer with KADA, who is handling.
He's here. Let me put you in a breakout room, okay?
Okay.
All right, there you go.
Hey, Linda, can you let Jody know that I'm sending her, or I'm putting the discovery acknowledgement in her email?
Okay, she's, I think okay, there she goes. She heard you. Okay. Angela.
Hey, so Mr. Flores needs a reset, waiting on some discovery.
Discovery, okay. Do you need 30 days?
Do 45 if that's okay.
45 days. Okay, we can do November 1st.
Yes, that works for me.
Okay, and Garza, what are we doing on Star Garza?
If I can talk to her in a breakout room.
Okay. Where is she? Where are you?
She's right there.
Okay, thank you. All right, let me see where you're at.
Sorry.
It's okay.
And then Joe Flores is free to go, right?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Okay, Angela, if you can, let me move you guys. Hold on. To Angela, and I'll put your client in there with you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Linda,
Yes, sir. Ooh,
okay, let's put them
I'm sorry.
in the courtroom.
Okay, I'll be right there. Miss Yvonne?
Hi, ma'am. May I please be excused?
Yes, I didn't know if you heard us. We reset your motion to suppress to October 31st, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Judge.
Where's Mr. Boston? Michelle.
All right, sir.
Kaylee, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, it's this one.
I didn't know what it was. That shit goes off more than the car.
This time, court calls case number 677-413, State of Texas versus Angel Rogers. Are you Angel Rogers?
Sorry, sir.
Are you Angel Rogers?
I am.
Would you please raise your right hand? You solemnly swear that in this proceeding, the information and responses you submit will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
Thank you, ma'am. You may put your hand down. Ms. Rogers, I'm informed that you have been charged with a violation of the law and that you and your attorney have worked out. Oh, do we have the state present?
Judge, I'm sorry, I just got back from conferring with Mr. Valdez. I am now back.
Are you going to be present by Zoom or are you going to come in physically?
I'll be present by Zoom, Judge.
Okay. All right. I'm informed that you and your attorney have worked out a plea agreement on this matter. Before we do that, I need to discuss with you and make sure you know and understand you have certain rights and protections. First of all, you always have the right to remain silent. That means that you do not have to make any kind of statement. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to submit written paperwork with your signature, especially papers that admit or confess to wrongdoing. That's the right to remain silent. Do you understand you have that right?
I do.
You have the right to a jury trial. That means you and your attorney could select from a pool of citizens 6 people. And it would be their duty to see and hear any evidence presented, and they would have the duty to decide whether you're not guilty or whether you have been proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt. That's called the right to a jury trial. Is that clear?
Understand.
Can you hear her, Kayleen?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now,
Okay.
if you decided to go to trial, you and your attorney would have the right to question, cross-examine, or challenge any witness who would testify. It's called the right of confrontation. It's also commonly called the right to face your accusers. That's called the right of confrontation. You understand you have that right?
I understand.
Now, once this is finished, then there is a right called the right to appeal. That right means that you, yourself, your attorney herself, or the two of you working together, could follow a procedure wherein you would demand that a higher court review the official record and the evidence in your case for whatever legal challenge you wanted to make. That is a difficult job to do because the fact is that the appeal requires adherence or obeying very specific time limitations. It also requires documents and information that that is necessary. So you could insist on trying to do it yourself. I'm just letting you know that it is a very important right, but it's not easy to do. Do you understand you have the right of appeal?
I do.
Now, if you persist in your plea agreement, and I accept it because I'll tell you shortly, it is up to me whether we do the deal or not.
Correct.
If you go ahead and make your plea and it is all worked out and I accept it, then as part of this agreement, you'll give up your right of appeal. There is a document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. That document has your signature, that and other documents. That document, before you signed it, did you review it with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand that you were giving up your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. Now, there's other documents that you have signed. Is she getting probation on this?
Deferred.
Deferred,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
There are other documents that you have signed. Any document that's in your file that you have signed, before you signed it, did you review it with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand that document?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about the documents you have signed?
No.
Among those is a document titled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonitions. It's the one I'm showing you here. It appears on the back that you have signed that. Did you sign it, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
This document has quite a bit of very important information. First of all, it says that you're going to enter a plea of no contest to the charge of assault bodily injury. Is that correct?
Correct.
It points out that this is a class A misdemeanor for purposes of punishment. And the punishment range is a fine from $0 to $2,000, pardon me, $0 to $4,000, and jail from 0 days to 1 year. Did you see and understand that?
Yes, sir.
This document also repeats the rights and protections that I have discussed with you briefly. It has those in here and others. Did you see and understand that information?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about this?
No, sir.
This same document further tells you that whatever deal you've made with the state, I'm not bound by it. I have the authority and responsibility to say yes or no. I also have the authority and responsibility to decide what your punishment will be. It is all recommended. It is a deal that you and the state will recommend to me, but I don't have to accept it. I have choices. I can reject your deal. I can also give you a punishment that's greater than what you agreed to, so long as I make the punishment within the range of punishment that's in this document. Do you know and understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any questions?
No, sir.
The other document is critically important, or they're all critically important, but another one that I'm pointing out to you now in this proceeding is a document wherein you have applied for deferred adjudication probation. That document tells you that you will enter a plea, as is noted in this document we talked about, of no contest. A no contest plea in this court is considered a guilty plea, and it's sufficient for me to convict you. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
This document also tells you that I don't have to accept your deal. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And it tells you that I'm the one that sets the punishment, which is what I was talking to you about a while ago. Is all that clear?
Yes, sir.
There's another document that I mentioned to you before. This is the one that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. This is the one that tells you here with a mark next to a paragraph that says, this is a plea bargain deal. You're giving up your right of appeal. That is your signature, right?
Yes, sir.
On the application for deferred adjudication, that is a very beneficial deal for you. Let me tell you why. Although you're pleading no contest, which is sufficient for me to convict you, it's enough for me to find you guilty, I am not going to. That's part of the deal on deferred. If I accept your deal, then I will defer that finding, that is postpone it. And I'll postpone it to the extent that if you live up to 100% of the conditions of supervision, then the case will get dismissed and you don't have a conviction on your record. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
On deferred adjudication, if you fail or refuse to live up to 100% of the conditions, then the state may ask me to give you official notice, bring you in for a hearing, and if in my opinion the evidence calls for it, I will convict you. Plus, you'll be looking at the full range of punishment, a fine $0 to $4,000, and jail 0 days to 1 year. The whole thing will be on there if you fail or refuse.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you put only true and accurate information on this personal data sheet?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you have children you support?
I do.
How many?
1,
And how old is that child?
15.
Okay. And I've noticed that you receive the $2.13 an hour, which is for
I'm a
wait
servant.
persons. What do you normally make, including tips, over a month?
A month, about 2,500, give or take.
Okay, very good. Do you live with the father of the child? Do you receive child support?
I do.
How much do you get monthly?
$108.
How much?
108.
108
Correct.
per month.
Correct.
Is this guy disabled? Doesn't make any
Yes.
money?
He is disabled and it's out of the state of Indiana.
Did y'all get, were you ever legally married?
No.
Okay. Was he declared or did he become legally the father of the child?
He was put on child. I'm not quite sure. It was
Okay.
10, 11 years
Was-
ago.
Was there a court that ordered him to pay child support?
Yes,
Was the court here or in Indiana?
in Indiana.
Huh?
Indiana.
Okay. Ms. Sawyers, I'm gonna ask you as a courtesy to this court to assist Ms. Rogers in contacting our local Attorney General's office. I think that they may be able to, even though it takes some time, but they may be able to assist in amending this because $108,
It's not
you know,
anything.
if you eat $3 per meal, that's $9 a day. Times 30 is 270. And you're getting 108.
Correct.
That's not even enough to feed,
She eats a
provide
lot
half
too.
of the food. And there's something wrong with that if a court ordered that. If he's getting some kind of social security. Or
I do
some of it
believe
just-
they take it out of his social security and send it to
I
me.
know, but I've never heard of them paying just 108.
He's got multiple children.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Understood.
you might look into it. Then maybe they can do something with it because Social Security has improved some, but it's doubtful. Okay. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
To the charge of assault bodily injury, how do you plead?
No contest.
I will repeat what I said earlier. A no contest plea is considered a guilty plea and is sufficient for me to convict you. Do you understand that?
I do understand.
All right. The court finds, based on your plea and the evidence, that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but I will not. At this point, I will grant you deferred adjudication. Mr. Delco,
Yes, Judge.
would you recite into the record the agreement on punishment that y'all are recommending to the court?
88 Portillo recommended $450 fine fully probated, plus court costs, 24 months of deferred adjudication, 40 hours of community service, batterers intervention prevention program, no contact with Paul Rogers, affirmative finding of family violence, and they were going to TIC 2022 CR 5123.
You give me the case number again.
2022 CR 5123.
Give me those numbers individually.
5123.
Okay. All right. Now, the fine was 150.
450. Fully
Four.
probated.
And then it's fully probated.
Right. 24 months deferred adjudication, 40 hours community service restitution. The BIPP, no contact with Paul Rogers. TIC 2022 CR 5123.
Correct, Judge.
The supervisory fee will be set at the bare minimum, which is $25 a month. The $450 fine is probated. Is there any additional conditions? Oh, you said finding of family violence?
Yes, Judge.
Have you fully informed her about the limitations imposed on her by a finding of family violence?
Yes, Your Honor. And I need to take up the no contact issue. So the state was in agreement with a no harmful or injurious contact if the complaining witness, Paul Rogers, was not objecting to it. I just received the response. I've emailed it to Pauline, but she's in court. I will show you the communications between the complaining witness and myself that I have provided to the state. We are asking for no harm or injurious contact at this time based off of the complaining witness's request.
Judge, I'm gonna request you leave it where it is until I can confirm with ADA Portillo. I have no idea what's going on here. And until I receive word from the felony attorney that made that deal, I'm going to request that we leave it in place. If they want to come back and amend it at a later date, I'm more than happy to oblige that. But ADA Portillo has not signed off on that as of today that I'm aware of, that I have an email in my inbox stating otherwise.
Right. And Your
Okay.
Honor, go ahead.
All right. The court is going to accept recommendations that have been worked out, with the exception that I will change no harmful or injurious contact to, pardon me, no contact with Paul Rogers. That will be, the actual order will be no harmful or injurious contact on condition that it is, and it will have, let's say, 2 weeks to submit proof that the complaining witness, I presume that's who he is, Mr. Rogers, that he in fact verifies that he has no objection to the no harmful or injurious contact.
Thank you, Judge.
Otherwise, I accept the rest of the recommendations from the state and defense. Ms. Rogers, let me just say this to you. I am given to preaching sometimes, although I'm not any kind of minister or anything else. I've just been around a lot of years. And for 49 years, I've practiced law. For 41 of those, I did family and criminal work, a lot of family practice. Let me suggest to you that the kind of life your 15-year-old child is going to have depends on the love and caring the parents show. And I presume you have custody, right?
I do.
Okay. That tells me something, by the way, concerning the affirmative finding. I don't like affirmative findings unless it's really a bad situation. Apparently, for whatever the reason, you guys have not been able to get together and get along. The way this child is going to enjoy her future life, and it's already pretty well in concrete, depends upon the example you give her, good example and bad example. I'm sure that some of this stuff that's involved here, this child has seen or has been a part of, and that's sad. I hope somehow you're able to show her some good example.
Absolutely.
And if you don't, you'll be back here again. Now,
But I won't.
as of December 31st, I'm through. I'm finished. But there'll be other judges here. And if you fail or refuse during the next 24 months to live up to the different conditions that are placed on you, first of all, shame on you. But secondly, I think you're not going to find another judge that'll be as caring concerning your situation as I would be.
I will not be back.
Good. I hope not. Not only for your sake, but for your child's sake.
Absolutely.
All right. Counsel, anything else?
No, you want to proof to the court? Is that where I need to send the proof?
Submit proof to the state, and of course, copies to the court.
Okay, because I have submitted it to the state. I'll submit it to the court.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And Judge, once we get that, if it's within the next 30 days, I'll file a motion to amend the conditions of probation with the court so that we can officially amend that.
We don't need that because my order was that there would be
Okay.
no harmful or injurious contact on the condition of proof. So the court has plenary power for at least 30 days, and I've ordered Ms. Sawyers to bring in this proof within 2 weeks.
And I have sent that to you via email, Kenny. If you check your email, you have the proof.
It wouldn't open up. It was a picture. It didn't open up.
All righty. Then this concludes this particular proceeding. Good
Thank
luck.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
We'll step back. Yeah, that's a different court. Now on to the next court to finish up. Yeah.
Hey, Judge, may I make an announcement on my case? Todo el judicial, dove?
Judge, do you
What's
have
this
the
thing?
right of appeals and the admonishment and all that on that case? The admonishments and all that? Case number, Judge.
Let me get it to you.
What's this thing?
688016, page 7.
Where's Jerry
Jerry, can you hear us, Ms. Valdez?
Can you hear me? Yes, Judge.
buenos días.
Judge, I've conferred with the state. I've been trying to get the discovery on this case for the last week. And for some reason, the file will not give me access. So I'm going to look into it with the IT people. And then if not, Kenny will make me a hard copy of it.
Usted es Ramona Martínez.
Sí.
Bueno. Su abogado se llama Jerry Valdez. Jerry, you don't speak Spanish?
Yes, I do, Judge.
So then what's the problem? They're asking me to translate for you.
Oh, no. I don't know why. Yo hablo español muy bueno. Señora Martínez.
Mr. Valdez, this is a bailiff. Your client asked me if she can have an interpreter because she doesn't understand what is being said. So I just passed that request to the judge.
Señora Martínez, ¿me escucha?
Sí.
Bueno, lo que vamos a hacer ahorita, señora Martínez, es que vamos a darle otra cita de corte. Es porque yo no puedo, no tengo acceso a los reportes del fiscal. Y los voy a tratar de conseguir para revisarlos y hablar con usted a ver qué vamos a hacer con este delito.
Sí.
Pero pronto ahorita no se va a hacer nada. Le van a dar otra fecha de corte con el permiso de la corte.
¿Y no puede ver el caso de restricción de regresar a mi casa? Estoy batallando mucho.
Yo sé, señora, pero eso no sé ahorita porque no ha revisado nada. No sé qué órdenes tiene contra usted ahorita.
Bueno, está bien.
Jerry, I'm going to want you to look into this immediately for purposes of amending the conditions. It sounds like she's got a no contact order.
Yes, Judge. That's what I understand from her.
Ahorita está bajo una orden de que no se puede comunicar con ¿a quién alegan que usted golpeó?
¿Cómo?
Alegan que usted golpeó a alguien de su familia o a un conocido.
Él dice, pero no es cierto.
No, pero ¿a quién?
A mi esposo.
Okay.
Tuvimos una discusión.
Okay. All right. Jerry, look into that.
Yes, judges. I'll look into as soon as if I can download it today or tomorrow, I'm gonna let Kenny know so I can get a copy of it so I can review everything.
El señor Valdez se va a comunicar con el fiscal, va a determinar qué es lo que están haciendo con usted, especialmente sobre esta orden de que usted no se puede arrimar a su hogar. Y a ver qué le hacemos. Jerry, get something done by Friday, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Y yo estoy pagando los biles. Él es una persona drogadicta, jugadora, pornográfica y todo es una
todo lo bueno él lo tiene, ¿eh?
2 años con este caso de mi esposo y es
Jerry,
una cosa.
she says it's been pending 2 years. You need to do something, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Is Linda going to give us a quick reset, Judge?
Yes, sir. Let's come back in 2 weeks.
All right, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna give you September 27th.
9/27.
Puede ser un martes, que es cuando yo descanso.
That's a Tuesday. Es un martes.
Okay. Thank you. Gracias.
Bueno,
Yes.
gracias, señora Martínez. Yo me comunico con usted.
Ok, muy amable, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, señor Martínez.
Okay, Angela.
Yes.
Okay, so, Star, we're gonna reset for plea.
Yeah, if we could reset 30 days to do a plea.
30 days to do a plea. Okay, how about
And-
the 18th of October?
I'm here already on the 12th of October for a plea.
Okay, we can do
Is
that.
at 1 o'clock, is that okay?
That's fine, we can do that.
Perfect.
On 10/12?
On 10/12 at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, that's fine, we can do it then too.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
And my client's released.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mhm. Mr. Cortez, how can I help you?
I'm gonna meet you in the back.
Can I please confer with the DA, please?
Okay, hold on, Mr. Cortez.
Thank you.
And Linda, I just have my client. She's here.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I talked to her on the phone. I understand now why she was not able to log in on time. She needed to do updates, so it was not letting her log in. I showed her how to delete the app, reinstall, restart her phone, and that's, now she's able to be here. Savannah, will you say something, please?
Hello.
hi, Savannah. Okay, so on Miss Savannah. What's it? I'm sorry, Alice, what is her case number?
No problem at all. Her case number is 680-891.
680, that's, I was looking for a different one.
And she's 1017.
Yeah, we'll reset her 10/17, no problem.
And then real quick, will you check on page 8 at the very top, Mario Montelongo? You put him 1115, right?
Let me look, hold on.
No problem.
Hey, Alice, did you get my email earlier?
No, I've been conferring with
Okay, I'll send it again.
Virgil.
I have it marked. This is a bailiff. I have it marked for you, Alice.
11:15, right? Grabowski?
Yes, 11:15.
1115 for Montelongo. Okay,
Yeah.
so Trevino and Rodriguez, Gisela are 1017, and Halliburton and Montelongo are 1115. Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
you too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Finch, how can I help you?
Yes, for Steven Hernandez, the first case on page 1 of the docket, I conferred with Kenny, and he is going to terminate that to MTR unsatisfactorily.
Term and stat. Okay, so withdraw and term and stat?
Yes,
Okay, all righty, we'll take care of it then.
thank you. May Mr. Hernandez and I be excused?
Yes, sir,
Thank you. Y'all have a good afternoon.
you too. Okay, Fernando Cortez, let me put you in a breakout room. Sorry. All right. Simon, how can I help you?
Yes, Kenny and I talked, complaining witness doesn't want to file charges, so he needs time to review what he's going to do next, so we need to reset.
And who's the son, Simon?
Brenda Urbina, that's case number 689-602.
Okay, so on that one, I reset it to 10/21/22.
All right, thank you. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. John Bettis, how can I help you?
Yeah, I needed to approach judge on an off docket matter. It's a motion for permission to travel. So whenever the judge has time.
Do you have a case number?
598-357.
598-357?
Yeah. Should be a Giselle Gonzalez Sanchez.
You filed a motion on it already? Have you filed the motion?
Yeah.
Do you know when you filed it?
Let's see.
Oh, wait, it's right here, I think. Motion for permission to travel. It was granted on 9/12.
Oh, perfect. Didn't even get,
Court
okay,
approved
that'll
travel.
work.
Okay, so court approves travel as requested on the condition that the defendant submit to an ETG test immediately upon return.
That's what I figured. Okay, that'll work.
All right,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Okay. Mr. Martin, Bobby Martin. Hello, Mr. Martin, I can't hear you, you're muted. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you my phone number, Mr. Martin. I need you to call me, okay?
Okay,
Okay, my phone number is 210.
sorry. Let me get my. Okay, what is it?
210
Mhm.
335
Yes, ma'am.
2172. Call me about maybe 2 o'clock,
Okay,
okay?
all right.
Okay, thank you.
Can I be excused?
Yes, yes, sir, you are.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss Campbell. Who's your attorney, Miss Campbell?
It's David Garcia.
Okay.
He popped in and popped out.
Okay, let me see what he did for you, so you can go. Okay, so you've been reset to October the 19th.
Okay, and that's all because he didn't. I've just been waiting to find out if I was
Yeah.
excused.
So yes, you're excused, ma'am. And apparently he's supposed to go over with you about some evidence with the client. That's what I wrote down. So you need to contact him and find out what he has to go over with you.
Okay.
Okay? But
Okay,
you
thank
are reset to October 19th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Jackson Jack.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your attorney?
It's Leo Hernandez.
Hold on. Okay, he hasn't appeared yet. Okay, give me some time to find out where he's at, okay?
So, ma'am, I actually don't think that he's gonna show up. I've been trying to contact him for like the past few days. I haven't been able to get in contact with him.
Okay, give me a few minutes more or so, and let me see if I can contact him, okay?
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Omar. Hello? You're muted.
Yes, it's Omar.
Okay, do you know, who's your attorney, Omar?
It was Catherine. I'm not sure. Catherine.
here you are. Okay, I found you. Has she contacted you or anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me try calling her. Okay, thank you.
Oh, do I?
No,
is
stay
it-
on. Hold on.
Okay. Yes. Ma'am.
Sean? Sean? Joshua Gallegos?
Here, present.
Okay, who's your attorney?
I'm not too sure. I haven't been in contact with any attorney. I requested my PO for information, but I never received it.
Joshua Gallegos. Oh, here you are. Oh, it's okay. It's Mike Hernandez. It's Miguel. Okay. All right, let me see if I can call him, okay? Give me some time,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Jacob, where are you? Jacob Cardona,
Yes, ma'am.
who is your attorney?
I was getting a court-appointed attorney.
You need to get a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so give me a call. Give me a call about 2:30. And my phone number
Okay,
is
what's your number?
210.
1 second, let me get a pen. Okay, 210
335
335.
2172. You left? Are you still here? You were in the courtroom?
Yeah, I left.
I needed you to fill out paperwork. That's why I'm asking.
Oh,
Supposed to
man.
leave yet. If you can come
So,
back, I need you to fill out an application.
okay, I'll just go back to that courtroom.
Yes, come to the back offices. But call me if you can't find us back here.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Bye-bye. I'm good, right?
You're
I
good
could
for
exit.
now. Yeah. Hey,
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
Give me a phone number for you. What is your phone number?
210 210
210
860 9451.
Okay, I need you to come back to fill it out so I can give you a court appointed.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Cortez, how can I help you?
Yes, I need to set this for trial, please, and I'll have would the judge run motions along with trial settings? I have a motion to quash the complaint.
Okay, what is the case number, Mr. Cortez?
Yeah, it's 687165, 687165.
Christian Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
He did not appear.
I just called him right now. I didn't realize that he had to be on here. I'm sorry, that was my fault.
Okay,
I called him at work and I asked him to just log in real quick. That was my
Okay.
fault.
so we're gonna set for trial, correct?
Yes, and I just wanted to make sure that the judge runs any motion with the trial. It's a quick motion.
Okay, I don't see why not, but is it like a motion? What kind of motion?
It's he's heard it before, the motion to quash the complaint, and it's real quick, so we can run it.
Oh, okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, October the 7th, and I'll send you something.
Yes,
as
ma'am.
well. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Am I excused? Can I let my client know that?
Yeah, go ahead and let him know we're setting it for trial.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Linda. Is,
Yes,
you know what happened? Is Stephen Ray Hernandez, was he an FTA on the first page, first one?
well, I think he was here. It's gonna be withdrawn and term and sat.
On Stephen Ray Hernandez?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I didn't know.
That's what Finch told me that Kenny told him.
Kenny,
Yes.
that's correct?
Yeah, that's correct, because he's got felony troubles that he's got to deal with, so I'll let felony deal with
Okay.
him.
Okay, what about Bobby Martin on the third page?
His
Linda?
attorney is, he was here, he was present, but I guess they're gonna assign him a new attorney.
Yeah, I need to give him a new attorney.
So reset,
Yeah, I'll reset it. I haven't yet, but I will.
and then Fabian Dominguez on the fourth page, 671825.
Reset 926. And then on Joshua, I need to call Miguel on that one. So give me a few.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Joshua. Joshua Gallegos.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is there any way you can come to my office?
I'm not in the courtroom, ma'am.
No, I know. Anytime like today, tomorrow, or Friday that you can come?
Yes, I can show up tomorrow.
Okay, I need you to show up because I need you to fill out a form for a court-appointed attorney for your MTR.
For a different one?
Yeah,
Okay, yes, ma'am.
okay. What is your phone number?
It is 210-955-3647.
Okay, I need you to come in and fill that out so I can give you another attorney and that way I can reset you, okay?
Yes, ma'am, that'd be amazing. Thank
And
you.
I'll be here between 8 and 4-ish, 5-ish tomorrow.
Is it behind the county court 5?
Yes, it's the back offices. Yes, exactly.
So
Okay,
between 9 and 5?
between 8 and 5.
Between 8 and 5, yes, ma'am.
You can get here at 8. It'll be perfect before we start docket.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
I appreciate you.
Sure.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm free to get off?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, Omar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I called Valenzuela, she didn't answer. So I left her a message and I informed her that I'm resetting you for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
September 27th.
Okay, September 27th.
Yes.
Linda.
So make a note of that and it'll be on Zoom and with the same meeting ID and passcode, okay?
Same meeting, okay, and passcode.
Okay.
Okay, would you have a number for her, a good number for her?
I do have a number for her. It's 210.
Yes, ma'am.
299.
299.
7671.
7671. Okay.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sure.
Linda, what is Grabowski's extension?